Question number 7, Steve. What would you tell your 20-year-old self about investing if you could fly back in time?
I probably would say to myself, get started as soon as you can and don't follow what everyone else has done and get that car loan, because I had a car loan when I was 20 to buy the car I couldn't afford on my own. Live below your means and know that the money you invest today will set you up handsomely for tomorrow.
Power of compound interest. Start early, right?
And probably I would have said, now run out and buy a property or two while prices are cheap. If I could go back to 1992 and buy real estate, I'd probably have bought more real estate. I didn't start buying real estate until 1999, which was some years later than that.
You bought half of Ballarat, didn't you?
Half of a part of Ballarat, possibly, but nearly all of Tokoroa. That's a bit different.
Fantastic.